Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will discuss the coding questions. And guys, if you have missed any class, you can go and check out our playlist. Okay, this all lectures guys. ठीक है, so let's start guys. है ना, today's coding question है ना, how to solve and what is the logic behind it. Or guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel guys, please go and join. And guys, you can download the PDF of essential classes guys, like class second this day one and class one as well. Okay, so today's class third guys, I hope you will watch this till end. Okay, so let's start it guys. So yeah, so first friends, this is basic question है ना, you have this given input and output. And one more thing guys है ना, I am not writing the full exam. Okay, sorry, full question not exam, sorry, full question है ना. And guys, this question is from metal platform. ठीक है, metal platform. So there are more chances to repeat this question because guys, in metal platform few questions are repeated again and again. Okay, so that this question is very frequently asked or most repeated. So let's see guys, how can we solve this question. So basically guys, in this question we need to convert this given string in a next string. Means in the next string sense guys, ki whatever writing like a3 means a, b3 means b, C2 means CC. Okay, so this is our final string guys. Okay, then after it guys, they will just input an integer, you know, and you need to return that value. Means first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So fifth value is guys 5, right? So guys, you need to return this 5. Fifth value is B. Fifth character is B. Clear? In another case guys, in other hand guys, as you can see the next test case, we have A3, A, we have B, and we have CC. So we need to print 10th character, right? So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Total 8 character we have guys, but we not have a 10th character, right? That's why guys, it will print -1 in a string format only. Okay? It will print only in a string format guys. Clear? The question is clear. I hope guys everyone have question this clear. This question is clear to everyone. Okay? If anyone have doubt, you can watch again or you can ask me in comment कि आपको doubt कहाँ पे है. ठीक है. And guys, I will share this same PDF with solution on our Telegram channel. ठीक है, Telegram channel guys. Okay, so let's start guys. Logic. And guys, the PDF है ना, whatever PDF of day third, sorry, class third is the password is Priyanshu ACC3. 3 means guys the third lecture, ACC means essential, and this Priyanshu means my name. Okay, so let's move to the logic and solution. So basically guys, first we discuss the logic. As you all know, and in every coding questions I am just discussing first logic then the code, right? Then we will discuss the code guys. So the basic logic is guys, whatever we have a string guys है ना, for example a equal to string है ना, a equal to string is a3 b3 c2. ठीक है, first of all guys, we just take a for loop है ना, and in the for every for loop we just increase the value by +2. Means 0 index +2, first +2, second, like that. Okay, so let's see guys. First of all, the value of I is 0 for example. Okay, now the value of I is 0 guys, and we will do I है ना. So for example, a of I means guys a of 0, right? A of 0 means guys a, and a of 1, a of I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1 is guys I plus 1 equal to means a of 1. A of 1 means guys 3. So we just do what we are doing guys here. I'm just writing here. So I'm just doing a of 0 multiply int of a of I plus 1, right? I plus 1 means guys a of 0 is nothing but a of 1 int of a of 1 means 3. 3 is in the correct string format. That's why I am just doing the typecasting. Then it will return you the a. Clear? So we got guys first a string, and we just add this string in our answer variable. Answer is nothing but a guys string, sorry, empty string. Clear? So I hope guys this logic is clear to everyone. Let's move to code. Code is very easy guys. First of all, for example, we have a string a equal to 3, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2. And guys, in a metal platform, it will give you the according, you need to write in a function, right? You need to write in a function. So you have a given function and you need to write your logic or code in a given function, right? So we need to make a code according to that, right? So let's see guys, basically we have a equal to this thing. Okay, now next thing is guys, as I told, we just take a for loop for from I 0 to length of a guys -1. Why? Because guys I am just doing here I plus 1 and now we just access the index I plus 1, that's why guys -1 तक हमारा लूप जाने वाला रहेगा. Next thing guys, we just do +2 and in every I plus 2 every time. Okay, now in the for loop guys, we will what we are doing, we are just taking an answer variable before for loop. Answer equal to empty string guys. Now answer equal to answer plus what I am doing guys, same to same this statement I can write here, this statement, and I am already discussed this statement. Okay, so I am just directly using this and a of 0 multiply int of a of I plus 1, right? Clear? Then guys, after that let me change the color. After that guys, here and we got answer, right? After for loop. So guys, after for loop I am just checking if the length of, if the length of answer, if the length of answer क्या हो guys, अगर बड़ी हो, किसके, किससे बड़ी होना चाहिए guys, हमारी length of answer is किससे बड़ी होना चाहिए guys, बताओ जल्दी से. Just pause the video and try by yourself as well. Okay, किससे बड़ी होना चाहिए, हमारी n से. n क्या है हमारे इसमें, for example 5 है, right? तो n से अगर बड़ा है, then only guys we will return answer of what guys, n minus 1, right? Why n minus 1? Because guys we have an index started from 0 but we need the nth value, means our values is started from first but we have an index started from 0th, right? That's why else guys we will return what guys, -1 in a form of string. But guys, in my code I am just using the print statement in my code, but guys in your main exam you just directly use what, return statement guys. Clear? So let's move to next thing guys. Okay, let's move to code, है ना? Let me discuss the code in a code screen guys. So guys, I am just using the VS code right now. Okay, I am just using the VS code right now, है ना? And if you have if you have a different IDE, you can use that one, no problem guys. Clear? So yeah, so let's discuss guys the code. The code is very easy, simple. Let us run. Oh, sorry, let us write first. So a is equal to, basically guys we need to write here string. Okay, so a is 3, b is 3, c is 2. Now in your main exam guys, you can write in place of a, in place of this line you can write a equal to whatever input is there, like input 1. Clear? So now next thing is guys, we just take a for loop. Before taking for loop we just take a empty string. Now for, now guys for I in range, then guys कहाँ तक चलाएंगे, 0 comma length of I a -1 comma +2. Clear? Then answer equal to answer plus, answer is nothing but a string, right? A, sorry, a of I multiply, or I'm just using the parenthesis here, you know, a of I multiply int of a of I plus 1. Clear guys? So this is our this, you know, and now I'm just printing answer. Let us check guys we got string or not. So let me run this code and checks the output. So guys, yes, we got our output like triple A, triple B and double C. Clear guys? I hope यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर होगा. This is very easy, not a tough यार, है ना? तो इतना सभी को क्लियर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे कर देता हूँ ताकि हमको आउटपुट दिख जाए. नहीं दिखेगा क्या? वेट गाइस, नो यार, इट्स नॉट सेटेड. नो प्रॉब्लम गाइज, है ना, ये सेट नहीं हो पा रहा है, बट नो वरीज. ठीक है, हमें मिल चुका है यहाँ से. देन आफ्टर डेट गाइज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू गाइज, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, what we just take a condition, right? So before taking condition guys, we have a n equal to 5, right? And in your main exam guys, you just write like that, n equal to input 2. ठीक है, and in here you need to write input, sorry, a equal to input 1. Clear? And input 1 and input 2 is nothing but arguments of a given functions. Clear? हमारे पास एक फंक्शन है, उस फंक्शन का आर्गुमेंट है a1, सॉरी input 1 and input 2. Clear? Now next thing is guys, we just checking conditions if, yes guys, just pause the video and think by your mind or self, है ना? No issues. So yeah, so length of answer guys, sorry, if, sorry, if length of answer guys, है ना, is greater than n, then only guys we need to return, right? Then only we just return, है ना, what we need to return guys, answer of n minus 1. Clear? Else guys, else what we need to do, else we need to print -1 in the form of what guys, string, right? -1. Done. Now let me run this code and we got, sorry, just wait, huh? So we got our answer, that is B. Clear? We got B guys. For example, if I just put the next string, नेक्स्ट स्ट्रिंग नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल डेट वी हैव अ नेक्स्ट क्या था हमारा गाइस, ये पासवर्ड ध्यान रखना आपने ना। नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ A3 B3 C2 एंड n की वैल्यू 10, राइट। सो या, so let us write that thing as well. So C2 था उसमें भी I think an end value is 10 guys, clear। and if I run this code guys, if I run this code and the output is -1, right? So let's check -1 is there or not. Yes guys, we got -1 is a correct output. So clear guys, I hope this code is clear to everyone, ठीक है। ये कोड सभी को क्लियर है। एनी वन हैव एनी इशू एंड डाउट, यू जस्ट आस्क मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स, नो वरीज। नाउ let's discuss for main exam। you just in your main exam you just return answer of n minus 1, right? and here in place of this you need to return -1, clear। so this is your code guys, I hope this code is clear to everyone। anyone have any doubt guys, just please ask me in comment box, ठीक है। कमेंट बॉक्स में बताओ गाइज। और हाँ, वन मोर थिंग, यहाँ पे आप इक्वल टू लगा लेना अगर वो नहीं चले तो एक बार, है ना, क्योंकि गाइज कभी कभी क्या होता है वहाँ पे नहीं चल पाता है कुछ टेस्ट केस, तो आपके करना है यहाँ पे इक्वल टू लगा लेना, ठीक है। क्योंकि एक बार हो चुका है ना, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ ये शॉर्ट, ये कभी कभी ट्रिक काम कर जाती है ना, कभी कभी, है ना, ये कुछ टेस्ट केस कभी आड़े टेढ़े हो जाते हैं गाइस कभी कभी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, तो इक्वल टू लेस देन ही काम कर जाता है, ठीक है। बाकी कोड ये वाला आपका सही है, ठीक है। जिस कोड इज क्लियर एंड ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड बाय सम ऑफ यू, है ना। सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो। एंड वन मोर थिंग गाइस, we are just starting a Python batch from 1st of April guys, है ना। if anyone is interested you just message me on WhatsApp only, not you don't use any other social media platform, okay। you just message me on WhatsApp। how you can contact me guys, you simply go to our WhatsApp group and ask admin and message admin, right? and all the link are in the description, so you can check out। and the password of today's PDF is Priyanshu ACC3, PRIYANSHU 3 ACC3। and make sure guys you are just writing capital P, okay, capital P is there in a password guys, okay। so it's all about today's video guys, go and join our every group, and I will share all the social medias link in the description। one more thing guys, so we are starting the Python batch as I already told from 1st of April, so interested students just message as soon as possible, because guys limited seat we have, and guys we will provide the certificate after completion of that course as well। and for more information guys you can message me on WhatsApp, and poster and all the things are upload tomorrow, not today only, okay। so let's meet on next video guys, I hope question clear hoga, or you will got the PDF from our Telegram channel guys। and guys please join this channel as well, because guys we are daily uploading placement material as well as hiring update for every student guys। and one more thing guys, many of you are muted our Telegram channel, right? muted our Telegram channel, so I request you to unmute our Telegram channel guys only, okay। so please go and do this thing first, okay। so thank you for watching this friends, let's meet on next video। and if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click yes what बेल आइकन बटन यार, ओके। सो बाय बाय गाइस, टेक केयर, ओके। और इसको फॉलो कर लेना है ना सभी लोग।